Right, hi guys, welcome to the channel. Old and new. Today I'm out on my own. Billy no mates today. Hey ho, there we go. Jen's poorly, Sheila's done in here again, and Dave, I just don't know. We've got a few bits out. I'll go through all that in a minute. There's a few bits here what was already here, and I will take them away with me and I'll show you those as well. On my last chuck I've just had, one of the most important things is why to wear gloves is razor blades. Okay, make sure you've got something where to put it. Don't just put it in your crud bucket, you know, wrap it in something and dispose of it proper, not in with your scrap. Alright guys, because that is just, I've got a sharps tub at home, so I will put that in my box to take home and put it in the sharps tub I've got at home. So that's in there out the way. Okay. So this is what I've had out so far. There's some crud in there. Excuse the camera work. One security tag. I have no idea what it is. A couple of pennies. This looks like a safe drawer or something of that sort. A pedal. This transformer unit. There. Just a load of scrap bars. And this at first I thought it was a GoPro, but it looks like to me, could be a lightning rod. You know when it's in the ground and the earth goes to it? That's what it looks like to me. So if you know any otherwise, comment below. Oh, and a car radio just down there. That wheel, that rusty part of a sign and the fire extinguisher was actually stashed in the bushes just there. Those bushes there behind that little railing, they were stashed in the bush there. So I will take those home with me and get rid of them. I wish people would, I know it's only a little, put it in the boot of your car. It's not hard. Good. Let's start dipping again. See what else I get. See if I get anything more interesting. Well, like I say, I'm on my own. Oh well, I ain't going to be out long today. So this will possibly be a short video. Oh wow. Bit of monkey bar. A load of crud. Monkey bar wire. Little battery pack, 3 batteries in it. Again, why chuck them in the water? I'm not sure what that is. It looks like a push rod out of a car, but I doubt it very much. That looks like it's off a swing frame. Monkey bar. Benny! Random piece of flat metal. Looks like it could be an old file. I'm not sure. That looks like the light casing for an old Land Rover front end. I'm not sure. Not 100% sure. I could be totally wrong. But it looks like it's off a car. I'm not sure. Electrical wire. Nice. Not. I have no idea what that is whatsoever. If you think you know, comment below. Old road lantern. Bit past it. I like to see you try and salvage that one, Dave. Mr. C, that is. I really wanted to find one of these. Not. It's off an old wheelie bin, bar and wheel. Really wanted that one. Ooh. A key. Got a key. I got the secret. Monkey. 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 A spike cable. Got a scrap. Right guys, I'm going to have a couple more throws here and then I think I'm going to call it a day. Being on your own, it's not as good. It's a bit boring. But I'm still out and about, you know, getting me out of the house. Hey ho. It's not as funny as when you're with other people. Pulling up this red metal. Don't know what it's off. Could be off the bottom of the boat, could be anything. Right, I'm going to do my last throw. And then call it a day. Typical, isn't it? Last throw of the day. Scaffold clam. Random metal. Crap, really. More crud and more crud. There we go. I'm going to have one more throw in that same area. Some kind of wheels. It looks like it could be something off a barbecue. I don't know. But they're metal. That's what I think. No, they might be plastic. Oh, I don't know. But there we go. Bit off a D-shackle. Some kind of clip off something. Sharpie troll handle. Big bolts. There's another part of my shopping trolley. Guys, that's definitely me done for the day. I had more than one last chuck, but there we go. That's the way it goes. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hopefully Jen, Dave and Sheila will be back out with it, or David and Sheila will be back out with us next week. So it's bye from Billy Domates. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Right guys, as you can see, all the scrap is in the back of the van. I put a sheet down, look, so we don't get dirty in my van. And I'll go show you something down the bottom of the steps. Right, this is where I was fishing down here. As you can see, it's all nice and clean. Even down that end's clean. Nothing left. Clean someone's rubbish up out of the bushes just there. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll catch you guys next time round.